Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. My name is Prince and you are watching The Tech Stream. In this video, I am going to show you some cool new Android apps for the month of March. So without wasting any more time, let's start. The first app that we have on the list is Selection. Selection is a very simple app. It makes your life easier by selecting any text that is available on your screen and then it saves that text as a reminder in the notification panel. All you need to do is select a text, tap this three dot icon and select Put in NC. Now the selected text will be added as a reminder in the notification panel. It's a very good way to keep reminders because we go through our notification panel multiple times a day. So definitely very helpful app, do try this out. The second app that we have on the list is ToonMe. ToonMe is a fun photo editing app which lets you create cool portraits of your photos. The app is very simple. You just have to select the filter you want and then just grab your photo and wait for the results. Some of the portraits that you get from this app are very amazing and on point. However, if you are not happy with your result, you can also change the selected area and other things. And you also have a plethora of filters to choose from. So all in all, it's a very amazing app and everyone should try it out. The third app that we have on the list is Photoroom. Now Photoroom is really cool photo editing app and it is going to make your process of photo editing a lot easier. With Photoroom, you can create some really professional looking photos without much hassle. You can access a lot of templates and you can make them your own by just clicking one of the templates and replace the object or the person in the photo with your own photo and that's it. You can also add or remove other items, resize the objects according to your needs. So it's a definitely very powerful app and this is my new favorite for creating professional looking thumbnails and photos. Before moving on with the next application, if you are new here and you found some value with this video, please drop a like on this video and please press the subscribe button to support the channel. Now on number 4 we have got an application called StoryShorts. It's an application that provides you with short one-page summaries of various best-selling books. Once you enter the app, you need to select the book you want to read and you can also listen to the audiobook of the book summary. The summaries are very short, concise and brief. It's a very useful app for the people who are very busy with their work schedule and don't have the time to go through a complete book. And there is another use case also for this app. For example, let's say I want to buy a book and I want to check if the book is even worth buying or not. So I can use StoryShorts to read the gist of the book and decide whether I need to actually buy the book or not. And the best part of this app is it's completely free, unlike other alternatives like Blinkist. So definitely check this app out and read some books. The fifth app that we have on the list is Shortcut Maker. If you are a power Android user, you can check this app called Shortcut Maker. As the name suggests, this app allows you to create basically any type of shortcuts and place them on your home screen. For example, I can create a shortcut that opens two apps in the split screen at the same time. Or maybe another shortcut to launch any file, or a shortcut to some folder directly. So the possibilities are endless, and on top of that, you can also customize the shortcuts you create. For example, you can change their icons, their styles, titles, and even add fingerprint authentication. So the app is definitely going to save you a lot of times and I definitely recommend using it. The final app we have on the list is a wallpaper app and it goes by the name Wallspy. Wallspy has some really mesmerizing and high quality wallpapers. You have got a lot of categories to choose from and most of the wallpapers here are very good. You can also tweak with the wallpaper before applying, like you can change the wallpaper blur, brightness, contrast, hue and saturation levels before setting it as wallpaper. And on top of that, you can also download the wallpaper to your gallery. So it's a very cool app and you are going to love the wallpapers here. Do try this out. Though my current favorite wallpaper is this Itachi one, which I found on some other app. So comment down if you want a link to this wallpaper. So these were the 6 new Android apps for the month of March. I'll be back with more such app videos for next month. That's all for this video. Hopefully you liked the video. Smash the like button if you did. Comment down which was your favorite app. Subscribe to the channel for more tech videos. Thank you for watching.